Welcome back to this video, and to this tutorial I'm going to show you on how to save as PDF in Photoshop in few minutes. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Photoshop. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your home tab right here, click on File, then from File make sure you go to Save As. Then right here, make sure you choose Save on your computer. Then I'm going to save it in desktop. Then you have to come to Save As Type. Make sure you look for PDF. So just like so, make sure you look for PDF right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Save. Then make sure you click on OK. So just like so, at this point here, make sure you leave it in high quality. Then choose the Adobe format fashion. So I'm going to put it in 1.4. Then I'm going to click on Save PDF. Then make sure you click on Yes. So PDF file saved successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply head over to my desktop and fill the PDF file. So let's check it out. So right here we have the PDF file right here. So I'm going to click on it and press Enter key on my keyboard. So just like so, we have the PDF file right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to save as PDF in Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.